Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and let me share with you some secret codes which you can use on your device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and let me show you the first code, which is the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *##, 06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually very similar to the previous one. It is *##, 07#. And as you can see by this code, we can open the regulatory labels, we can check the model or the head and the body. Let me get back. Of course, you can scroll it down here and you can check more information. Let me enter another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##, 225 ###. And as you can see, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best option, the best section to check, because here we've got all the events grouped into particular sections. Let's get back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics. It is *##, 426 ###. And as you can see, as I said, we are in a diagnostic, so here we've got the events and also the status. Here we can check the server, host port, time connected, or sign-in level. After tapping on events, we can also check some further details, some internet information, if we have been connected or reconnected, and so on. What's more, we can tap on this three-dot icon and tap on advanced view. And after tapping on the status again, we can receive more details, for example, like heartbeat, last ping, or HP algorithm. Let me get back and let me show you the last code which will open the testimony. It is *##, 4636 ###. And as you can see, we are in a testing mode. Here we've got some phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. So let me begin with phone information, and here, as you can see, we've got the information like email, phone number, current network, data service, or voice service. I know that I've got all the blank space, but no worries. If you will have the SIM card inserted, then you will be able to check all of them. What's more, we can run ping test here. Here we've got the results. And after tapping on the three-dot icon in the right upper corner, we can also enable data connection or view service dialing numbers. Let's get back and let's check usage statistics, and here we've got the list of all apps and processes which are currently on this device. We can change the sorting time by sorting type by usage time, last time used, or app name. So for example, we can check that we've been using the settings for almost 14 minutes. So after changing the sorting time to for example app name, all the apps and processes will be listed alphabetically. Let's get back and let's enter the Wi-Fi information, and here we've got the API configuration and the status. Oh my god. So let me pick the status, and here we can tap on refresh stats and we can check the supplicant state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. So actually, this is it. This is how to use secret codes in your ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.